Hello, welcome to my channel. Simple English is better English. Today we will study 3 vocabulary. They are very simple and I hope you can use them in your day-to-day conversation. Day-to-day conversation is similar with daily conversation. It's just an option. Which one do you want to take? Okay, number 1. Calculator. In bahasa, dalam bahasa. In bahasa Indonesia, we call this kalkulator. Next, in bahasa, we call this stabilo. In English, we call this highlighter. And the last one, magazine. In bahasa, we call this majalah. Okay, so we will chain words. Chain, menyambung. We'll chain words to create, menciptakan atau membuat, to create longer sentences. And I hope, saya harap, and I hope you can practice this at home using your own words. Let's begin. Ayo kita. Let's begin. Ayo kita mulai. Highlighter. I use highlighter if I read my book. If I find difficult words, then I can highlight those difficult words. And if I have free time, I can use my dictionary to find out what are the meaning of those difficult words. See, it's very simple. See, lihat, it's sangat sederhana. Next, calculator. Do you know, apa Anda tahu? Do you know? I am not good at math. Saya tidak bagus dalam matematika. I am not good at math. Kita tidak bilangnya, I am not good in math. I'm not good at math. So, anytime I count the numbers, I use calculators. I don't want to be incorrect in counting the numbers because sometimes my brain could not work properly when I read numbers. See, it's very simple. But you can see this one. It has memiliki has. It has lid penutup. So when you finish using the calculator, you need to close it. And the last one, magazine. So if you want to improve your vocabulary, you need to read a lot of books, or you can range your reading resources. And so you can have and or find many different vocabulary for your day-to-day conversation. It depends on your purpose. If you want to read magazine like National Geographic, it can help you understand the nature, the world, the environment, social issues, and political issues. If you want to improve your vocabulary, simple one, you can read novels. So see the use of magazine. So I can chain many different vocabularies. Yeah. So I'll see you next time. I hope this will be useful for your learning. Bye.